Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated Mickey Mouse telephone. This is Debbie's equipment from Canada, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool animated Mickey telephone. And we have a note with this unit. Debbie purchased Mickey through eBay, and basically when she received the unit, Mickey would talk, but there was no movement, no animation. So what we want to do is troubleshoot Mickey and find out why there is no animation. Now these animated Mickey Mouse telephones are highly sought after, they're very collectible, and they're really a cool telephone. We're going to go ahead and do some still pictures of Mickey. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier backed by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll go ahead and release it. Press it one more time and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we can do is try the demo button for Mickey, and he has a lot of really cool sayings. So we'll go ahead and try the demo button.
Oh boy, a phone call! Oh gee, I wonder who it could be. It's for you.
We'll go ahead and stop the demo. We'll try the demo one more time.
Oh boy, a phone call! Oh gee, I wonder who it could be. It's for you.
We'll go ahead and stop the demo. Now what we want to do is we want to use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that.
Well, what do you know? It's for you. Hiya, pal. You've got a phone call. Oh boy, a phone call. Oh gee, I wonder who it could be.
We'll let that go one more time,
It's for you.
and we'll give you some dial tone. Now what we want to do is walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. We're going to go ahead and hang up. We'll hit redial. The analyzer will end in a 2. Now what we want to do is transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that Mickey is going through the animation when you press the demo button and when you get a ring cycle like you were getting a call, we can go ahead and press the button here on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Tuesday, January 23rd. The current time, 2:15 p.m. and the temperature, 39 degrees.
We can hang up. We'll give you some dial tone. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. We'll make that call. We can go ahead and hang the handset up. We're going to try the demo button once more.
Oh boy, a phone call. Oh, gee, I wonder who it could be. It's for you. Well, what do you know? It's for you. Hiya, pal. You've got a phone call.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Mickey Mouse telephone has been repaired, we can return them to Debbie and they can enjoy this really cool telephone. I'm sure Mickey's going to look great no matter where he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.